Hey listeners, Kat here with a super big announcement. Times are tough and uncertain right now. With the economy on the edge of the toilet, it's important to be adaptive and versatile. As you probably know, we don't make money off this podcast, although we do have a few Patreon subscribers. Thank you. And we do include some Amazon affiliate links to products we found useful. But it's not enough to keep our pups Ada and Ruby in their kibble. So, in an effort to diversify, we here at Greening Up My Act have decided to embark on a new business venture. We've developed a new product that brings together several of our interests, like dogs and green living, and aligns with our mission of living a greener lifestyle for ourselves and you, our listeners. And it will make Ada and Ruby and your dogs super happy. Introducing Cleaning Up My Yard from Greening Up My Act. Organic, eco-friendly, sustainably produced, organic cat poop flavored dog treats. As many of you dog owners know, the tastiest thing on the planet for a dog is cat poop. Ada and my old dog Emmett would eat it off the street. Dogs who live in households with cats go dig it out of the litter box. If the dogs had their way, they'd follow cats around and eat the tasty treats straight out of their buttholes. But eating straight cat shit poses several problems. Dogs can get many diseases from cat poo, including hepatitis. It just isn't safe to let your dog eat free-range cat poo. You don't know where your neighborhood cats have been. Have they been eating pigeons with bird flu? Are they getting enough protein in their diet? Do they have a UTI? Also, cat poop is stinky. I've definitely gotten cat mess on my hands trying to get Ada to drop the cat poo when we're out on our walks. It's unpleasant and not fun for anyone, even Ada. So we've worked with several local providers to find the cleanest, highest grade cat poop possible from indoor cats with controlled diets. These cats have all had their shots and been scanned for any diseases that could disrupt the purity of our product. We've also developed a method to remove impurities and toxins from the cat poo while enhancing it with clean, human-grade food your dog will love, like free-range chicken, farm-grown peppers, and organic, all-natural carrots. And the treats are completely grain-free. Beyond that, we found eco-friendly, sustainably focused local manufacturers to help us mass-produce the treats using low water and low carbon output methods. We've worked together with small business owners and cat parents to create the best, greenest cat poop dog treats on the market. Plus, our packaging is made of compostable, recycled paper products, over 90% post-consumer, and compostable plastic Ziplocs to keep the treats fresh. But wait! There's more. We've partnered with a delivery service to bring the treats right to your door on a monthly subscription basis. The delivery fleet uses all electric vehicles and is on a schedule to minimize carbon output by delivering to local neighborhoods each day. You and your neighbors won't have to fire up your cars and leave the house to buy these treats for Fido. This is an exclusive offer for our listeners. Our subscription model ensures you have a full supply of Cleaning Up My Yard dog treats each month, but you can't get these treats in stores. You can even customize your plan if your pooch doesn't eat as many treats as Ada will. Get fewer deliveries every month or even every 3 months. Or you can upgrade to the weekly plan if your pup wants more. You know we love to do market research, and we've priced our treats to be both affordable and sustainable. Each bag of bite-sized cat poo treats will cost you just $15.99 on a monthly basis. And the more you buy, the more you save. Get 15% off for the monthly subscription, or 20% off a bi-weekly subscription. Of course, we wouldn't be Greening Up My Act if we didn't share the wealth. For every bag of Cleaning Up My Yard purchased, we make a donation to a local green charity, working to plant trees or produce other carbon offset programs. Just check out the sustainability tab on our webpage for more. To take advantage of this exclusive offer, visit our Patreon, www.patreon.com/greeningupmyact, and sign up. The best part? It's free for 7 days. And we're not forgetting our existing Patreon friends, though. We're sending you a free gift just for being loyal. So don't wait. Get your dog the greenest cat poop flavored treats and show them you love them today. That's www.patreon.com/greeningupmyact. Cleaning up my yard by Greening Up My Act. An eco-friendly, organic, carbon-neutral, all-natural treat you and your dog can both be proud of.